Now it's time to taste our yummy, yummy, yummy fish roll. You guys are gonna split it apart.
It's hot.
Yeah. Mmm. This is super good.
Oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel.
We are the
Linton's
family.
And today, guys, we're gonna be making our favorite snack, fish roll. So, guys, all we're gonna be needing for the dough is flour, butter, milk. JJ, what is this? What is this? And what is this? Shakina, what is this?
Baking powder.
And what is this?
Salt.
Guys, now we're gonna start our mixing. Guys, now we have to mix our dry ingredients. Guys, now we're gonna melt our butter for a few seconds. Guys, now it's time to pour our butter and our mix. So JJ, what are we gonna pour first? Okay, pour it in. Okay, now guys, we're gonna mix.
So guys, right now I'm gonna pour the butter inside the flour. What is on the flour?
And guys, now I'm gonna mix it. So guys, now my brother, he's gonna pour the water into the dough.
Without so much.
Oh,
Not so much.
just for all. And now guys, I'm gonna mix it. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now it's time for us to make our sauce, guys. So, guys, if you want to make this, you have to cover this one up and then put it in the fridge, guys. So, guys, I'm gonna go get some oil. Okay, now guys, we're officially ready to make our sauce. So guys, all we're gonna need for our sauce is fish, vegetable oil, seasoning cube, thyme, garlic, curry, and green onions. Yeah.
So guys, we're gonna take out the bones and the fish, and we're gonna make it boneless.
Guys, this smells really good, guys. And guys, now we're adding the seasoning cube, guys. We're gonna break it into pieces. Guys, now we're almost done frying it.
Okay guys, so it's time to roll our dough.
Okay guys, when you're done rolling your dough, with your sauce, you can put some vegetable oil on the fire, and then when the vegetable oil is hot, you now put your dough on the pan and then fry. And guys, as you can see, that is what my mom is doing right now. Guys, now it's time to taste our yummy fish roll. Guys, we're gonna split it apart. Yeah. Guys, this is super good.
Oh.
Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell.